At the outset, my profoundest congratulations to Mukokchung District Art and Culture Council for arranging such a magnificent, significant, and memorable program of midnight service. You have arranged this program against all odds of masking, social distancing, staying inside homes owing to COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, we are physically distanced from one another, but no, we are not in our heart and spirit. United stronger we are, together more closely we are, loving one another more profoundly we are. In spite of the latest adversity of COVID-19, and of course, many a threatening situation in the recent past and in the distant past, Mukokchung has thrived. Mukokchung has been resilient, and for all this, heads off to the people of Mukokchung. Mukokchung na nangja lokpa Mukok tsa sensa tia amuk meren tolo arwaga kini pamabang ta tunglongbo pi tukung sungtet medam Mukok tsa tia ajak nungi tukung sungtet nang Mukokchung 정상모봉 담마로 되는 두공 따로 아탕 아웅 되는 대로고 낭네 내 두공 총치다가 낭네 꼭치다가 형리jet 낭라 낭사 낭무곡중 이호바 정르미야 낭삭록 아마디 무곡중 다운도 호일레 130 years old 103 보솔 라가 기사 속도 아지야디 Goboli Nabara Poila laga 100 years to Charigina. Only last 30 years laga hi sailibi Yat Goribuli Kisa Pisya Side Mokukchun down do hoile Kali Ikta Jat hi Nuhoigina Down Suru Hua time Pura Alak Alak Jat Pisi Tagigina Suru Pachi Luigina Ase Hoi Mati Malik laga importance to dangor darkhan ki man sop diya se darkhan laga nam uccha kure diya se aru Mukokchung down de kon thakia se the residents and citizens American important responsibility dangor ase de American laga kam ki ase itubi nephauribo lage Yat Kurina nai last 3 decades de Mukokchung kinaga ahise Yat Kurina nai ek time do hoile tin du paji nishina time dibi American pahar ola boli phoi khaigina pahar ola boli halji lagigina thokan khor gate sob bon kurigina khor bhitor de sasbi Lopoli naparegina thakisi nohoi ekun dangor galti kam nukurilibi American public oporde misa misi sasai aro maramari khelaigina thakisi nohoi thokan aro individual logot misa misi poisa mangi loigena nuhwa mano biraisi nohoi wilibi Mukokchung citizens sob melaigina darkhan lokoti map di gina rukhi sailibi darkhan kam aro mon putulin nuhwa karone American sob milai gina darkhan ke thik pura sapa kure disinu hoy aru sabi Indian Army pura misa misi ai gina hor thokan julai gina manukhan ki mara mari murai dia sob khelai dise Mukokchung manukhan pura huilibi hat milai gina mon dimak ekta gore gina American itu nuhwa gam oporde jubab gam aro gotha khili ahi gina Indian government pura hi compensation dia aro army pura bi map mangi boli di gina American kam dangor kori boli pare gina ahi sin hoy business kura manukhan bi thik aro sita business nugore gina socio cultural religious matters de hat humai jaile Itu bi nuhoy negat dikhai digina. Sapa guri disi nuhoy. Hey mukok chung manukan. Gobo lagi hoile. Goribo lagi hoile. Amakan pura kutha hoile bi. Goboli parigina ahisido. Kam goribo lagi hoile. Goriboli parigina ahisido. Mukok chung to hoile pari aside. Mukok chung can. We are able. People should not mistake our tolerance for cowardice. We are not cowards. We are only being tolerant. Please do not mistake my gentleness for timidity. We are not timid. We are only being gentle. Mukokchung is large-heartedly gentle and refined. Otherwise, when situations so demand, in the fitness of time, we are able to call spade a spade. Mukokchung pura apunar ki di ase. So pura phal aro sapa bani, sapa hawa, thakibuli jakha. Sob diasin hoy. Mukokchung has given you most fertile soil, best of topography, cleanest water and air. It is not freezing even in the coldest season of the year, nor is it scorching hot even in the warmest days. Shouldn't we be grateful to the creator of this nature? Ito kan luigina, khaigina, apunar aram gorigina, khushi hoigina, kiman sal ahise. Tini hoile ahibina. 2021 burado hoile amar khan bi wapas kam ekta gorigina. Mukokchung logoti thank you goigina. Welcome Mukokchung new ticket goigina. Sob manu nijor every single individual pura kipado dibo ahibina. Nationwide annual cleanliness survey Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 pura olaidia isapti hoile Mukokchung to northeast category de cleanest city ase. Itu bi phal nam ekta ase nohoy. Tadi apuni laga role, apuni laga contribution phalwala asido. And look, released only on 5th December this year, we have this landmark document called Vision Mukokchung 2040, prepared on the occasion of Mukokchung Quasquicentennial. This is not a document to be merely shelved in libraries, not a mere ornamental publication. We have pledged and committed already to implement this Vision Mukokchung 2040 as a people's movement. My dear fellow citizens, we need to join our hands stronger in a new dimension, for a new position, for a new status of Mukokchung. Shall we, as a New Year resolution, commit to ourselves to work together to contribute something better, something greater for the good of this Mukokchung? Yes, you have been doing it all along, but focusing on the need for translating the Vision Document 2040. Let each and every one of us give something new, something more this time in 2021. Let us continue to make this town a lovable place for all right-thinking people from all sections and communities to live happily. A place where law-abiding newcomers are also accommodated. A place where lowly and needy ones are cuddled with love and everyone is assured peace and comfort. Let us step into the new decade within a few minutes from now, starting from a new hours from now with an ambassadorial spirit for the good of Mukokchung. Thank you, Kuknalim.